Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are talking about something very important: cybercrimes. Recently, some incidents have shown how dangerous these scams can be and how they can affect anyone. Let's dive in and learn more about how to protect ourselves. In Mangaluru, Karnataka, a retired engineer lost a huge amount of money, 1.6 crore rupees. How did this happen? Scammers pretending to be from an international courier service tricked him. They told him that a package he sent had drugs and suspicious documents. To avoid getting into legal trouble, they asked him to pay caution money. They promised to return the money after their so-called investigation. The poor engineer believed them and ended up transferring 1.6 crore rupees over a few days. He only realized it was a scam after talking to his daughter and then reported it to the police. And it's not just in Karnataka. In Noida, a woman doctor lost 45 lakh rupees to scammers. These fraudsters pretended to be officers from the Mumbai crime branch. They contacted her through a video call and made her believe that they were investigating her bank accounts. They scared her into transferring the money by threatening her with severe consequences if she didn't comply. They even watched her through the video call to make sure she didn't disconnect. Imagine how terrifying that must have been. These are just two examples, but cyber crimes are happening all over India. Last year alone, people lost nearly 7,500 crore rupees to these frauds. Maharashtra had the highest losses, followed by Telangana, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Gujarat. So, how can we protect ourselves from these scams? Here are a few tips. Verify the source. If someone calls or emails you asking for money or personal information, always verify their identity. Use official contact numbers or websites to check. Don't rush. Scammers often create a sense of urgency. Take your time to think and consult with family or friends before taking any action. Be skeptical. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Be cautious and skeptical of unexpected requests for money or personal information. Report suspicious activity. If you suspect a scam, report it immediately to the authorities. In India, you can use the National Cybercrime Reporting Portal at cybercrime.gov.in. Remember, awareness is our best defense against cybercrimes. Share this video with your friends and family to help spread the word. Stay safe and stay smart online.